Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma and welcome to another installment of our how-to videos. And today I'm going to be showing you how to open a new chart window on your MetaTrader 4 platform. So I'm going to show you real quick, easy steps that you can simply open up a new chart window so you can obviously do your market analysis. So as we can see here, I do have my market watch open and now I want to open up another window so I can obviously analyze a different currency pair. So I'm going to randomly choose one symbol over here, which will be the Australian dollar to the US dollar. And first thing is I'm going to right click on it and highlight it in blue. So once it's highlighted in blue, I can now right click on it and I'll see a menu option pop up. Once I see this menu option, I will first see new order and then I'll see chart window. So this is where I'm going to click so that I can get a new chart window for myself. From me, Kagiso Mahuma, this was how to open a new chart window in your MetaTrader platform. For more information, do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch more of the how-to videos.